Right, this is my Tout Terrain Amber Road bike. I've got carbon gates drive on here, and I've got roll-off hub here, and I've had it nearly a year now, so I needed to tension the belt. Okay, and I couldn't find any information on how to tension the belt. So here we go. What you need is one of these chaps here. This is a Krikit IV belt tension gauge 91107. There's a chap there. Put your finger in there. Make sure your indicator is pressed down. Make sure you've got the right one, because there are two of these, and just push that down on there, and then steady myself. There's your thing there. You can put your fingernail up to there and you get a reading on there. That's probably 38 pound. Okay, which is fine. I don't need to adjust that really. So what I'm going to do now is just show you what to do. One Allen key, two Allen keys, 5mm. Okay, and these are the two bolts. Make sure it's clean in there. You don't want to try and shove your Allen key in if that's half packed up with mud and everything else like that. And I also put a mark on there. I put a little bit of insulation tape on there to line up with the L, so that I can see how much movement I've made. Undo those, loosen them off, and then you'll see that this is a hexagonal hole that will take your Allen key. Okay, and all you need to do then is, once that's loose, put a bit of pressure on there so that you move your center of your hub here, or your axle, center of your axle, through the eccentric hub towards the front there. Okay, when you've moved that, and it would seem that 1 millimeter might do, I think 2mm probably does the whole of the range from 28 to 40 pound. Can be just in 2mm movement there, so don't need a lot. Once you've moved it, nip, check it again with your Gates carbon drive, with your Krikit, and then if you're happy with it, tighten these up. If you're not, then you can loosen that off and you can readjust, go away, come back again, and get it either a little bit more or a little bit less than what you did before, and then nip it up and then check and then tighten to finish. Okay, and you want these fairly tight when you finish. It doesn't have to be over tight, because I say there's quite a bit of resistance to movement. That's not going to want to turn really. Okay, not unless you're going up a very steep hill. Okay, so that's that.